Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream from heavy whipping cream. To begin, gather your ingredients and equipment. You'll need very cold heavy whipping cream, a chilled mixing bowl, and a whisk attachment. For flavor, have powdered sugar and vanilla extract ready. These initial steps are crucial for achieving light, fluffy whipped cream every time. Once your cream is in the chilled bowl, start whipping on a low speed. This prevents any messy splatters. After about 30 seconds, gradually increase the speed to medium-high. You'll notice the cream beginning to thicken and incorporate air. Keep whipping until soft peaks just begin to form, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Now it's time to add flavor. Once you see soft peaks, reduce your mixer speed to low. Gently add 1 to 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and about 1/2 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. The powdered sugar dissolves easily and adds a smooth sweetness. Increase the speed to medium and whip just until stiff peaks form, which takes about 1 minute more. The key is to stop whipping as soon as stiff peaks form. This means the cream holds its shape firmly. Over-whipping can cause it to separate and become grainy, eventually turning into butter. For the best experience, serve your delicious, homemade whipped cream immediately. If you have any left, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.